Welcome to the CIFAR section. We will now look to test our LINET model on a much more complex data set, namely the CIFAR dataset. Previously, we trained a convolutional neural network to obtain 99% accuracy on the MNIST dataset. However, one should note that the MNIST dataset is an introductory dataset to deep learning because of its simplicity. Often, one would refer to it as the hello world of deep learning. However, this new dataset, CIFAR 10, will be relatively harder to classify, and will come with new obstacles that we will need to overcome. The CIFAR dataset contains 50,000 training images and 10,000 validation images, such that the images can be classified between 10 different classes. As opposed to the MNIST dataset, the objects within these classes are much more complex in nature and extremely varied. For instance, if one was to look through the CIFAR dataset, they'd realize that there isn't just one type of bird. Rather, the bird class contains many different types of birds, varying in size, color, magnification, different angles, different poses. Oftentimes, it only shows specific parts of the animal at different poses, which can also pose many challenges. With the MNIST dataset, although there are many ways that you can write the number 1 and the number 2, it just wasn't as varied. And on top of that, the MNIST dataset is grayscale. The CIFAR dataset contains larger 32 by 32 color images, each image with 3 different color channels. This begs the question, will our current LINET model, which performed so well on the MNIST dataset, will it be enough to classify the CIFAR dataset? Let's find out.